Namaste, welcome to Monday Bites from Chitrakas. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel, write your comments in the comment box, and thanks for encouraging me to more videos. Today we're talking about an important topic of driving an automatic car. If you are a beginner and you are driving a manual transmission, how and what precautions and measures to be taken while you're driving an automatic car. So one of your friend is given a key of his car, which is an automatic, and ask you to drive. So what we do, we take the key, put it in the ignition, we start for ignition. The car will not start. It will never start. It's important that you put the gear rod in the neutral and put your leg on the brake and then start. Then only the car will start. After the car starts, you just have to remove your leg from the brake. Automatically the car moves. You don't have to accelerate. So this important thing is necessary if you are driving an automatic car. Today, why more and more people are choosing automatic cars is because in traffic, bumper to bumper, you have lot of, when you put your left leg, put the gear, clutch, etc. You don't have to do. Whereas if an automatic car, your left leg is at rest and you only use the right leg for accelerating and as well as braking. So driving comfort is more, and in bumper to bumper traffic, automatic is easy to drive. So happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think Chitra Cars. Thank you.